and withdraw this my 299 Dogecoins. All right, so I am just going to select the amount I am about to withdraw. Okay, so let's copy and paste it right here now. Then I click request. Okay, and here we go now to the withdraw confirmation page, which is this place. Then I'll have to click on confirm. Okay, and they have no fee for this operation, and this is my Dogecoin wallet address from Trust Wallet. Okay, so let me show you guys the current amount of Dogecoin I have on Trust Wallet, and you see here now that I have about 852 Dogecoins sitting right here now in my Trust Wallet account. Okay, this is 852. Now let's go back and I'm just going to click on confirm. All right, and here we go now. Let's see if their payment is still automatic. All right. So let's wait and see. Okay, and here now it says withdraw processed, and here is my batch ID. You can see it here. Okay, so now this clearly shows that their payment is automatic, and now we are heading on to my Trust Wallet account and let us confirm if they actually sent me the payment. Okay, so let's head on to my Trust Wallet account. So let's go to Trust Wallet. All right, and this is my new Dogecoin account balance, which is 1,151 Doge, and here is the Dogecoin that I received. Okay, this is about 299.27 Dogecoins, currently equivalent to $19.60. Okay, so you have just confirmed here now that this site is paying and it is legit. Okay, so this site has been online and paying since 2021. All right, so if you are to join, you should at least use the link I am going to place now in this video's description box to sign up and start mining free Dogecoin every seconds, and every 24 hours it gets sent to your Dogecoin balance here. Now I am going to show you how to buy more miners. Okay, so click on buy miner at the top. All right, so once you click on buy miners, you will see here that they have bunch of Dogecoin miners. Okay, they have the first one here with the name starter miner. Okay, this miner here now gets you a mining speed of 1000 DHS, and you make a daily profit of 10.83 Dogecoins every single day for 10 days. All right, and this starter miner would cost you 100 Dogecoins. Okay, so that's just it. And over here now they have the second one with the name manager miner. This manager miner would get you 5000 DHS, and you make 21.65 Dogecoins every day for 30 days, and it would cost you 500 Dogecoins. They have the CMO miner that would get you 15,000 DHS, and you make 198 Dogecoins every day for 30 days, and you can get this miner with 3,500 Dogecoins. They have the CTO miner that would make you 60,000 DHS, and you make 480 Dogecoins every day for 30 days, and you can get this miner with 8,000 Dogecoins. Okay, they also have the CMO miner that would get you 150,000 DHS, and you make 1,000 Dogecoins every day for 30 days, and you can get the CMO miner with 15,000 Dogecoins. All right, they also have this one right here now, which is the CEO miner that would get you 500,000 DHS, and you make 3,500 Dogecoins every day for 30 days. This miner would cost you 50,000 Dogecoins. Okay, they also have the next one, which is the Doge miner that would get you 5 million DHS, and you make 35,000 Dogecoins every day for 30 days, costing you about 500,000 Dogecoins. They have the Doge mass miner that would get you a mining speed of 10 million DHS, and you make 80,000 Dogecoins every single day for 30 days. You can get this Doge mass miner with 1 million Dogecoins. Okay, so now for you to get or buy any of these miners, just click on it. All right, just click on anyone that you would like to buy. Okay, so let me take this one now. For example, this CMO miner. So you come down here and then you choose your payment method. You can pay with Perfect Money, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, USDT, 3220, TRX, and BNB. Okay, so just choose your payment method. Okay, so let's take Dogecoin for example, then click on make deposit. Okay, so once you click on make deposit, guys, you should be taken to their payment site. All right, and over here now you copy out the address given to you and pay. Okay, and for buying the CFO miner with 15,000 Dogecoins, you make a total profit of 30,015 Dogecoins in return. All right, and take note, you can be withdrawing anytime. You have the minimum withdrawal in your account. Okay, so copy out the wallet address given to you and head over to your wallet and send the payment to the site. And when investing, always invest at your own risk and invest what you can afford to lose, as I am not a financial advisor. Okay, guys, so that is just it. All right, and don't forget that you get the link to this Dogecoin mining site now in this video's description box. Okay, guys, so now once you have sent the payment to the site, your mining contract would be activated for you immediately and it would start mining right here now. Okay, and every 24 hours, any amount of Dogecoins you have mined would be sent to your Dogecoin account balance over here. Okay, so that is just how the site works. If you want to sign up,